there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are making snowball cookies. And aren't these just the cutest little snowball cookies ever? Not only perfect around the holidays, but I would make a snowball cookie even in the summer because it is that delicious. They're also called wedding cookies, which is kind of fun too. So that way you can call them wedding cookies in the summer, snowball cookies in the winter, and everyone's very happy all year round. I love the texture and the flavor of these cookies. They are delicate, beautifully light and airy cookies that simply melt in your mouth. Your family and friends are going to love it, and they make such cute gifts. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to get started by creaming together plant-based margarine and powdered sugar. Next, we'll add in some vanilla extract, and I also like to add in a little almond extract as well. Once our mixture is nice and fluffy, we're going to set it aside and work on our dry ingredients. Starting with some flour, almond flour, and a little salt. Mix this together and we're ready to add it to our wet ingredients. I like to add about half of the flour at a time just to make the mixing process a little easier. And last, we're going to add in our chopped walnuts and pecans. Moving on, we're going to roll our dough. Now that our snowball cookies are looking absolutely gorgeous, we're going to pop them in the oven to bake. Once our cookies come out of the oven, we're going to let them cool a little bit, but when they're just slightly warm, we're going to roll them in powdered sugar. Now you can leave it here, but for a picture-perfect snowball cookie, I like to roll it one more time once it's completely cooled. And there you have it, the cutest little snowball cookies, perfect for your holiday table or really any occasion. It is a favorite recipe, and if you want the full recipe, you can find it on my website, chefani.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time with another video.